Low maintenance girly who likes her hair clean, upkept. You like to get your ends clipped. You know what I'm saying? You spend a decent amount of money on your products, but you want to have billions and billions of products. Then you have reached the right channel. Okay. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Being Ambitious, and if this is your first time here, what's poppin', sis? I hope you catch a vibe that makes you want to subscribe. So you guys can see by today's title, we are doing a simple, natural hair routine. I don't know my natural hair texture. I don't spend a lot of money on products. I don't wash my hair as often as I probably should. I'm a very simple, natural girl. I don't have a 1,000-step routine. I don't really care about length. I just care about retention, keeping my hair clean, go and see my stylist every 3 months, get my ends clipped. That's it. If you're looking for knowledge on things like the perfect texture or long length, I'm not that girl. I just became natural 2 years ago. I've loved every step of it. But yeah, I just want to get all that from the gate. If you're looking for a low maintenance wash day, then you have found the place of April. So it's been over a month since I washed my hair. So yeah, today I definitely want to show it some extra love. So I'm going to use some pre-shampoo, and I'm almost out of it. This is by Moisture Miracle. I don't know if I'm going to have enough to get through my hair. Enough. Let me check and see if I got some over here. And if I ain't got nothing over there, we're gonna make a quick stop to the hair store. So girl, hold on. They didn't have the large one, so I had to get the small one. This was $8.99. $8.55. I'm lying. Like y'all, that slip. I love this stuff so much. I separated into 4 parts. So as you can see, I got 3/4 of my hair detangled, and I will just talk y'all through this portion here. So you start on dry hair. You don't have to wet it. That's the cool part about this stuff. Aloe vera really does a really good job at, making your hair come back to life. I'm just separating it here. Trying to get out some of the hair before I comb it. Because everything is about sections. Everything. I'm out, paying really close attention to my ends, and then bringing it up. Massaging it in really good. Taking it all the way here to up. And you can detangle with your fingers here. I like to do that a little bit. And then take the comb. Now the front part of my hair, I can usually detangle with just my fingers for the most part. But that back portion, girl, and you start at the bottom and going all the way to the top. And I just run my fingers through it, make sure I don't have any knots. The back portion on this side is always the hardest for me. I think I must sleep on that side. Everywhere. Wash day is so messy. It's a process. So it's smoothing in really good. Paying close attention to my ends here. Amazing. But as y'all see, I just go in with the product, and your hair is very, very silky. Okay, let's keep going. I know a lot of people, including myself, do hate wash day, but as I'm going through the process every single time, I'm reminded why it's so important to take your time. With detangling my hair this good, it helps for in the shower it not retangling back up, if that makes sense. But that's my number one tip. If you're a beginner with wash day, take your time, take it into sections, don't rush the process. And also, if you gotta split this up into days, girl, do it. Some days I detangle and wash my hair, blow dry it out, The next day I twist it. I can't do that today. So we are fully detangled. Okay. So the next step is to wash my hair out. I don't want to set up a camera in my shower and like have to put on a bra and do all that. So I'm gonna take y'all back to how we used to do it back in my day. 91 baby here. We're gonna take it to the kitchen sink. Now this is my kitchen sink, okay? I'm the only person that lives here. Washing my hair in the sink is okay because I don't do nothing but wash dishes in said sink. And I'm only doing this for y'all. I usually wash my hair in the shower, but and if y'all see my cooking videos, girl, you know I don't season chicken in the sink, so we all right, baby. But anyway, I'm going to get this separated into fours, and then we are going to head to the kitchen sink. So I'll see you guys then. Bye. All right, y'all. So the first step that I'm going to do is wash out the pre-shampoo. So that's pretty simple. You're just going to keep washing it out. The tip that I like to do is to just wash the product out until I see the dripping of my hair at the end is clear like water. Then I know that I've rinsed it all out. For y'all's sake, I am only showing washing half of my hair because I know that y'all retention not that good. And I really want y'all to continue to watch my video from beginning to end. Anyway, so right now I am using my shampoo. This is by Design Essentials. The next step after I get it in my hair really good, I take this shampoo brush and thoroughly cleanse my scalp because again, we want our scalps to be really clean. What's the point of going through the process if you're not getting all that gunk out your scalp? So this looks like I'm using it very like roughly on my head, but I promise you I'm not. And also, if you don't have one of these brushes and you're like me, my thought on these brushes was that they were gonna be hard, but they're so soft. And I got this brush from Shein, girl, for like $2, okay? And I love it, love it, love it, love it. And it really, really helps with the wash day. So grab you one of these from Shein, girl. They like $2. I do wash my hair in sections just to make sure that I thoroughly cleanse my scalp. My scalp gets really dirty from sweating from working out, and just I deal with dandruff sometimes. So, and I think that that's also a symptom of PCOS, but that's another subject for another time. So throughout this entire video, you will see me washing my hair in sections because it's just so much easier to do and to also again manage my hair and make sure that we're cleaning it thoroughly. Again, wash day cannot be something that you rush through unless you're just a pro like that. But for us beginners, girl, take your time, section your hair out. You know, once you slow down with yourself and like really take your time with these things, you get a better product at the end. So keep that in mind. All right, y'all. So we are back at the vanity here. Now, if I was in a shower, I wouldn't get completely out. What I would do is just turn the water off, sit down on the tub there, and then just make sure that I evenly distribute the conditioner in my hair. And again, this step helps me to make sure that I don't have to detangle as much. But we're taking a generous amount, evenly distributing it through my hair. shampoo did its job, you feel me? So anyway, I'll let this sit for a little bit. I'm not gonna put the shower cap on because there's that. I'm gonna just sit here for a few minutes and let this sit. I guess this is my ghetto version of a deep conditioner. I'll see you guys back at the bowl. Back at the bowl here. So now I'm rinsing out my conditioner. I do like to rinse out the conditioner with cold water, not like extremely cold. I have a little bit of hot water in there, but you know, I just like to get my pores open. And I am going to show you guys the entirety of me rinsing out the conditioner. I know that that's much less than me having to like rinse out the pre-shampoo, apply the shampoo, rinse that out, and then show y'all all those steps. So here I am actually showing you the entirety of me rinsing out the shampoo to get these curls back popping. Popping they are, if I do say so myself. Love that. Shout out to Nisha for this t-shirt. She got me this t-shirt when she came to visit, and I'm using it today for my hair. What up? We are at the last step here, y'all. So oh, it feels so good. So actually, when I'm in the shower, I keep talking about my shower routine because that's what I usually do. Anyway, I have a special towel that I put on. It's like a little turban. Oh, my curls are popping. They look so good. Is the hair in the front is so much different from the hair on the side. Like, I feel like this is a different texture in the front than it is from the sides. I don't know, but that's just me talking who don't really know too much about, you know. She's not a hairstylist. But the curls are popping, babe. The curls are really pretty. Really pretty. Love that. So what I'm about to do now, and I wish I would have had the record button on because this is like a budget-friendly natural wash day. Like, I want y'all, as always, you know, my channel is for the average girlies. Baby, again, I don't have a ton of products at this house. So this is the leave-in conditioner. I do believe in using the same shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in. I think it really helps. So I was almost out of this leave-in conditioner. So girl, I put a little water in here. Shook it up. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna do the job. It's gonna do the job. So anyway, let's go ahead and, of course, we're splitting it into 4s. I'm gonna check on my scalp. Looks pretty clean. Because girl, it was dirty. All right. So we got everything into sections, and I am going to break this one down into a section as well and get started applying my leave-in. I love my hair when it's clean. I mean, I love my hair all the time, but I like it when it's clean. Lately, when I do my mini twists, which I'm about to do some mini twists, I would blow dry my hair out, but y'all, I don't feel like doing it today. I got my leave-in there really good. Now I'm gonna go in with this curling cream here. This is by The Main Choice. I love this stuff. I stand beside it, and it smells so doggone good. So I am going to start on my mini twist now, and I'll show you guys a snippet of that, but not too much because, girl, there is a how-to mini twist tutorial video on my YouTube channel. Go run it up. If you're watching this video, go run that up. Okay. this is the finished product here. I just decided to do my mini twist to the side here. I probably won't keep as much length as y'all would if they were dry, but I still love them so much. I'm gonna do a cute little turnaround for y'all. And as you see, I don't ever put any like parting. I just grab some hair and go. But the back ain't got nothing to do with me. Girl, I really hope that this video has given you the motivation to get up and wash your hair. And to also know that, girl, sometimes it doesn't take 1,000 products to get your scalp clean, get your hair clean and styled. You know what I'm saying? Put it in a nice protective style. It doesn't take a bunch of money. Y'all saw I went to the hair store, paid $8.99 for some pre-shampoo. You know what I'm saying? Put some water in my leave-in conditioner so I can stretch. It doesn't take a lot of products, baby. But I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye.